Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I like to compare these two. And these two are the Fiskars rotary, which I bought recently, and the Fiskars procision. And the reason why I'm going to tell you. Last summer it was really hot and I do not craft upstairs when it's too hot, of course, obviously. But I do like my procision. I absolutely love it. I do not know why people hate it, but I love it. And I think it's too big to move around a lot. So I want a nice cutter for downstairs, too easy to grab and easy to take along if it's necessary. But I want the same quality as my procision. I am very a big crafter. I can tell you. I do craft mostly every day if it's possible, and then I need quality in a cutter. And so I asked around on Facebook, and many people suggest that I should buy this one. And I even asked Fiskars themselves, and they said also this one would be good for you. So yeah, okay, so let's get started and what I like and what I do not like about these two. So let's get first to the people say don't lift it on here. Well, yeah, where otherwise, but I'm doing my best. Well, okay, so this is the Fiskars, and not lift on that, yep. So this is the Fiskars procision, and I have to tell you, the first one I bought was terrible, and it really was. That blade did not cut nice. Well, it cut nice on one side, but the other side was terrible, really. It was. I hate it, really. At the very first time I got it, I hated it. So someone said to me, please email to Fiskars. And I did. So I emailed Fiskars, and I have to say they have amazing service. They contacted me back pretty soon, and they just sent me a new one, and without sending the old one back. So that I must say that, wow, really, I just have to say Fiskars has a perfect service. And the first day I got the new one, I was amazed. What a big difference. And so I get started to use it, and I never stopped. I use it every day. And how long do I have this one? Well, at least a year, a full year at least. And it's still straight. It still cuts like butter, one way and the other way. So I absolutely love this one. So I have it always on my left side. I always use it, and I just love it. So what do I love about it? Don't lift it up like that. What do I like about it? Well, you can fold it, so I always have it unfolded on my desk. What do I love about it? Well, this handle, this is really nice, so you can pull it really good. You can pull your paper really tight without having anything in the way, so that's a good thing. They have it in centimeters and in inches. That's a perfect thing for me, because I always do two different sizes. And I really like also these lines, so you can keep your paper straight. Even you have a small piece, you can make nice straight cuts. I do like also that on this side there is also some measurements. I hope you can see that. There is some extra on this side. So it's really easy to make little strips when you have this on this side. That's perfect. I can, trust me, it's awesome. And they do have here a little stopper, so your paper is here also. You can pull this also here for straight your paper to hold. So yeah, I really like that. So you can cut the slightest piece of paper with this. You can cut chipboard with it. I cut all my chipboard, well, not very thick, not 2mm chipboard, that's ridiculous, but smaller chipboard I do, thinner chipboard I do cut with this one, and it's still not bad at all. My knife is still cuts like butter. And yeah, let's show you. See, you can slightly small pieces or nice little strips. And for those who follow my tutorials, they know I like using strips. So for me, this Fiskars is just amazing. I just love it. There is one negative thing about this one, and yeah, it's not a big thing, but that's just what I noticed, and that's this gap. That's the way where it's come together, the fold. So you have no measurements. I think Fiskars could do the measurements further on this clear piece. But yeah, as you can see, I did make a few stripes, marks where let's say the 15 centimeter is, or the but yeah, that's just one negative thing that I hate, because the measurements in between here you can't do exactly. So that's the only thing I hate about it. But well, I hate, that's just one negative thing that I could find about it. For the rest, I love it. So that is my Fiskars Precision. So yeah, if you don't like it or there's something wrong with it, please send Fiskars an email, and because they have really a great service, and they will solve your problem. So especially this one is not cheap, so they should have give you a good service, and they did. So yeah, I love it. So it's perfect. So, but it's really heavy. So I have this on the left side of my desk, nicely sitting there. But when I do go downstairs, I don't want to lift that big one up. So I was searching for another one with the same quality. So many persons suggest this one, and this is also a rotary cutter, so it's a round blade. And yeah, so when I got it, I noticed that there is centimeters and inches. I definitely want that in a cutter, centimeters and inches. And I also like a big, how you call that, safety thing for, yeah, how you call that? To keep your paper in one place. So that has this one too. So I absolutely love it. Now the only thing I noticed is that this comes loose and this comes loose. So yeah, I don't know exactly why that is. I think there is a reason for it. But yeah, I think it was better perhaps to keep this in place. I don't know. Can it? No, I think it does not. Because now it's all set down. But I love it just how it is. But well, I can figure out a reason about it, because if you cut in this this little white thing, you can pull it out and replace it. But the more you cut in it, there is a cutting line in it. See, so the more you cut. But there is a thing, mostly when I make a little mark on my paper, then you can put it wide along that line. But it's no need, because if you put it wide along this side, because there is where your knife is going to be wide along. So yeah, it's so I don't know why this is. Oh yeah, otherwise you can't see this one. So yeah, they have to think about it. So the rotary is really light, but it only works if you push. So yeah, that's also a nice thing. So I'm going to show you how it's cut. So you can pull this up. I know it's cut right there. So let's say I want to cut this little piece. So I just have to push, and look at that, how smoothly that cuts. So again, also I like that I have again that space on this side. They also have this same as the precision, so your paper is straight on any occasion. I like the marks, these little stripes also, so if you have a little piece and you don't have to, you can't want this on the bottom, you can make this nicely against that. Just place it on that line and then just cut it. So yeah, it cuts like butter. There is nothing to say more about it. And the other nice thing is you can enlarge it till 12 inches or 31 centimeters. So that's nice. So yeah, I really like this this one. And yeah, of course, it's also usable for right-handed or left-handed. So you can pull this down here if you are left-handed. So yeah, cool. So yeah, there is nothing I can say ugly about it. So even the marks, oops, when I fold this out, goes through. So yeah, there is 12, 13, 14, 15 centimeters. So this continuing. Let me see, yeah, this 10, 11. And this is 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch. The only thing is, well, 5.5 inch. I should guess that it's, but that's just one measurement that you can't see properly. But that's the only thing. The rest is all in it. So yeah, and what else can I say about it? I don't know. I miss a little thing here. Where is it? I think I bump. Well, I will find it. I think it's on the ground. I have to make sure that it will stay on there. But anyway, I like it. I like it so far. There is just one thing. I do not have this a pretty long time. Like the precision, I have it longer than a year. So I can still say it's perfectly. The blade is still nice because it's a self-sharpening blade. With this one, I can't tell you because I don't have that pretty long. I only use it for 2 weeks now. And so I can't tell you about the blades. If it's, I don't think it's a self-sharpening, I don't think so, but I hope it will last a long time. So yeah, it's just, I don't know, I have to figure that out. But for the rest, till now, I like it. It's a good little sister for the precision. Yeah, it's the baby one. I really believe that. So yeah, that is my comparison to these two Fiskars. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Some people of you asked me to do this because I asked the last time on Facebook which portable one is the best, and yeah, till now I am really happy about this. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I am not sponsored about this video, I am not, I bought it myself. Okay, but I really like Fiskars because of their great service. So Fiskars, big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.